What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So last week, Friday, I looked at BABA when it was trading at the $87 level, and we're just $1 less. So not much has changed in terms of price, but the price action did drop down, followed by a small recovery today. So what's going on the technical side, right? What is the chart telling me, right? Well, if you zoom out, price is still in this long-term sideways trading range, which means that when price gets up to this 120 level, all of a sudden the market does not like it this high and they start selling or they start taking profits. And whenever the price gets right around the $72 level, like the market likes it and they start buying, defending that level. And that's why we get this trading range pattern going on, right? It's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you see these prior levels historically, it might tell you something, right? Oh, this is too high, this is too low. And that's how, it happens over and over again. Eventually it will break, right? Something in the market comes in, some big buyer, some big seller, and they change the pattern. But that's why you have to be dynamic in your analysis, right? So what does the chart tell me? Well, it looks like it's still trying to reach the lower side of the range, right? Generally, when price hits one side of a range, it will work its way to the opposite side. It can take a while, but it'll try to work its way to the opposite side. It's not guaranteed, but that's what it's trying to do. And it's still trying to do that, right? We're not seeing a strong reversal to the upside as of right now. It looks like the bears are still dominating the chart. Price is still slightly below this trend line. It's not even in play that much, so we can go ahead and remove it. Either way, you can see this a downward bias to the stock price. There was a slight push up right over here, which can lead to another push up, like a complex pullback, coming to this level right here at the high 80s. And if that acts as resistance, most likely we'll see for the downside. So unless we see strong buying pressure, most likely, we're going to see price just, roll over to the downside, right? And this is just a pullback. Same thing right here, right? Looks very similar to right over here. You see that? Price went up, went down, went up one more time, and then the second time was lower than the first time, and then price collapsed. Same thing right here. Price went up, price went down, price went up, lower than the first time, and then it can collapse. So this is just a pullback, right? It's a pullback pattern. That's what's going on right now. So until you see something drastically different, like a very strong move up, then that could change the course of the direction towards the lower side of the range, instead now to the upper side of the range. So until then, price is still below the EMA. Price is still below this prior resistance level at the 88.52. It's just pulling back, expecting more downside. I'm looking for the mid to low 70s. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily chart. Not much has changed in that scale. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly, just a consolidation at the bottom side of this downtrend, and not looking bullish at all. Still, it's still in this yellow range. There's this bullish trend line in play, but it's very weak. But that can act as support at the mid $70 level. So overall, BABA not doing much, not much to cover. Yeah, just slowly trending its way down until we see something drastically different in the market. I would be looking for more downside, right? So I have for BABA on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.